Hi, I'm Maria. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. As part of our wellness journey, we like to make healthier versions of the foods that we love, like ice cream. But this Rocky Road recipe was a very rocky road. It nearly broke me. But the final result is a delicious, creamy, and scoopable masterpiece. Mwah! And now I am going to show you how we make it. And stick around till the end because we have some nutty bloopers from this very rocky production. Are you ready to rock? This is the gorgeous Rocky Road. Dare I say, it is a sexy Rocky Road. Look at this beautiful, creamy texture.
I'm ready.
You waiting?
No double dip.
Second.
Good.
See? We don't double dip.
No double dip.
I mean, sometimes we do, but that's all right.
That's good.
Is it good?
That's really good. Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious. Woo! All right. So 3 recipes later, and 1 busted ice cream maker, very expensive, fancy ice cream maker that didn't work. We finally have the perfect Rocky Road. This has been a very rocky road getting to this Rocky Road. A beautiful, scoopable, creamy texture. What we're going to do is layer, I guess, the rocky part, which is our roasted almonds, so what we're going to do is layer the marshmallows and the nuts. We saw something today that really resonated. Do weights for muscle, weights for strength.
Yep. Weights for muscle.
Weights for muscle. Weights for muscle, cardio for heart, and ice cream for mental wellness.
Mental health.
For mental health. Shit. Forget it, just look at it. Look at this beautiful rocky road. Absolute perfection after 4 tries. So if you don't get it right the first time, keep at it because it is worth every single scoop. And our homemade marshmallows. If you're interested in making delicious homemade marshmallows with only 4 ingredients, click on the video over here.
Wrong way.
Click on the video over here.
Well, actually, you know what? You'd have to be like on the other side so that you could go point that way.
Click on the video over here.
No, click on the video right on top of you.
Or here on my face.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yep.
If you want to make these, if you want to learn how to make these delicious marshmallows that are healthy and have only 4 ingredients, click on the video over here.
Perfect.